your boy DJ Akademiks, and now listen, man, because Bobby Schmurda, the finger gun motherfucking king, basically his lawyer made a desperate move today in court. They were trying to get him out before the 60 seconds run up on his 15 minutes of fame. Now, let me just say this for all you dick riders. Oh, you hate? No, I love Bobby Schmurda, okay? Bobby Schmurda is the definition of fun. I fucks with Bobby, okay? The finger gun king is my nigga. However, pretty much his lawyer showed up in court with Bobby Shmurda and also Rowdy Rebel. They appeared in Manhattan Supreme Court. Now, if you haven't known, because you guys usually probably forget about people that are not in sight, out of sight usually means out of mind, but Bobby Shmurda was actually transferred from the Manhattan Tombs or whatever they call it, their holding complex, the jail, and he's now sitting and awaiting trial or whatever the case is at Rikers. Now, they appeared in court today, Bobby Shmurda and Rowdy Rebel, and the lawyer basically petitioned the judge using the old Speedy trial request to say, listen, man, we got to get Bobby Shmurda out of here quick. We think you got some bullshit charges. We want to get this to trial instantly. Now, the lawyer, and the lawyer is Kenneth J. Montgomery, he pushed for a speedy trial, which means all that like pre-trial shit that we're going to do, they just cancel it. Okay, let's get straight to the trial. Let's get to you present what facts or what evidence you got that Bobby Schmurda is involved. And if you don't know what he was charged for conspiracy of murder, conspiracy of attempted murder, drug possession, weapons possession, and basically him and Rowdy share similar charges. Now, the judge did grant the speedy trial, and basically Bobby Shmurda and Rowdy Rebel's trial will start on June 25th. Now, this is actually kind of breaking news because this is actually a really sped up process. Because here's the thing. There's about 11 other people that's involved in this full indictment. It was a 69 count indictment at first, and then there was more charges rolled into it, eventually being 101. Now, with this happening, the judge is actually going to look at certain defendants in certain groups. So they're not judging them as a whole, which is a good thing for Bobby Schmurda. I don't think Bobby Schmurda wants to really be standing right next to Mitch. And if Mitch is guilty, he's guilty. I think he wants to be kind of innocent or guilty on his own. Now, here's the thing, because everybody loves screaming their gang, squad. And I'm going to tell you this, man. I know some of you guys don't like hearing this shit. This is just the fucking facts, okay? With all this gang, squad shit, bullshit, you realize that, no, dog, are you willing to go down for a crime another nigga did? No, you're not, okay? So it's not gang, squad. It's get me the fuck on out of here. Okay, sorry, nigga, I'm trying to come home. So Bobby Shmurda and Rowdy Rebel, they're going to be in a small group, and they're going to be then answering to these charges in court on June 25th this year. Now, for the rest of the guys, they're going to be in court at a later date. They're still going through pre-trial motions. So those guys, we don't know what might happen to them. So it's good news for Bobby Shmurda. But here's the thing, because I got to give you both sides. This might go really good. We might get Bobby Shmurda out for the summer. Or we might be having a Aaron Hernandez moment for Bobby Schmurda, like, god damn. Because, listen, Aaron Hernandez was pretty confident when he went into trial, and we saw what happened there. And also speeding up the process because his lawyer in court today, this is the exact quote he said. He says, at the trial, we'll see what this is really about. He's really banking on the fact that the NYPD has zero fucking facts or at least evidence on Bobby Shmurda and Rowdy Rebel to keep him in jail for conspiracy. Now, if that is not the case, if that backfires, we could be seeing an Aaron Hernandez moment, and maybe not life imprisonment, but we could see a couple of years for Bobby Shmurda. But of course, if they have no evidence, we might see Bobby Shmurda out for the summer. And I'm not going to lie, I do want the finger gun king. If he's innocent, out for the motherfucking summer. Nobody gets shit hot than a nigga who's goddamn, this nigga basically is moving around like he got a yeast infection. This nigga can't stay still. All right? So we'll see exactly what the fuck Bobby Shmurda is charged with and if it holds any weight. Now, if the cops are right, it's not good for Bobby. If Bobby Shmurda and his lawyer's right, then they'll be back out pretty soon. You guys make your predictions. Do you think he's getting out? As I said, to me, I felt it was a desperate move because you're trying to get him out before those 60 seconds run out. You know what I mean? He could be going in 60 seconds, okay? Because in 60 seconds, people might be like, yo, the fuck? Bobby Shmurda? What? Hot nigga was like a year ago. We on to that new shit. We on that nigga. We trying to find that motherfucking trap queen, okay? So again, in the comment box, make sure you guys like, definitely subscribe, follow at I'm Akademiks on Twitter and Instagram. I'm out.